Okay, paper 702, calculator paper. If you look at question 1 here, now when you read this, when you look at this, it looks like it could be like a simultaneous equations sort of question, alright? However, because this question 1, it's unlikely you're going to have something as complicated as that at the beginning, right? So it's more straightforward than that, and it's a case of just looking at multiples, because you've got here each pen Agatha bought is £2.20, each pen Bryn bought costs £1.40, altogether the cost of the pens was £13. How many pens they get altogether? So basically it's like a brother and sister going to the shop, and Agatha chooses the most expensive pen. Bryn is more sensible, he gets the cheaper pens, but then when they scan them all together, then it comes to £13. So we need to see how many pens altogether. So we just look at Agatha's here, right? Now if she bought one pen, if it was one pen, it would be £2.20, wouldn't it? If it was 2 pens she bought, it would be double this, so £4.40. So we're just looking at multiples of £2.20. I mean, she bought 3 pens, it'd be £6.60. Okay, 4 pens would be £8.80. So that's what I would do. I just set it out like that. Okay, use your calculator. It's calculator paper. So £11 would be 5 pens, and then 6 pens then would be £13.20. So that's no good, because £13 altogether. Could be that Agatha bought 5 pens, okay, but she's certainly not going to get 6, because 6 pens would take you over the £13. But it's got to combine it with Bryn's then, so that overall it makes £13. So Bryn was £1.40 for 1 pen, so 2 pens then double that, £2.80. And then multiple, again it's all about multiples, right? So multiple of 1.40, so another 1.40 is £4.20. Use your calculator. £5.60 then, £7, okay, so another £1.40, £8.40, you can buy a lot more, can't you, because these pens are cheaper, £9.80, okay, £11.20. Now you notice I haven't used my calculator there, but you know, I could just keep on adding, can't I, £1.40, okay, to get these answers, okay, just to make sure I'm getting it right. Okay, so all my entries there, right? Okay, and so on. So you've got the answers given. So I could keep going. Okay, so £12.60. Now what we need to do is find a combination here where they would add up to £13, right? So this is a case of just looking and just scanning to see what would work out, right? Okay, just to combine them to see, can I get £13 from these here? I'm looking at this here and this, would that give me £13? Let's just check. £8.80 plus £4.20 is £13 there. Okay, so spend a bit of time on it and you'll get to the answer, right? Don't panic over this question. It's question 1, so it can't be that difficult, right? It really can't be that difficult, but you've got to spend time on it. Don't expect the answer to come out straight away. You need to just take your time, look at different combinations, and you can see then you eventually work out which ones add up to £13. So Agatha buys 4 pens. Bryn, what's that, 1, 2, 3, Bryn buys 3 pens, so altogether 4 add 3, 7 pens altogether. Okay, and that's it. Okay, we've got the answer there. The workings out are fine.